Dashidelic Tiger signs. Let's check your energy for the May month. This is going to be a monthly reading for you. What are you attracting around the starting of the month? Okay, starting of the month, you are observing a lot and you are going to find something, or you are going to realize something around the starting of the month. Okay, because of your observation power, you are going to realize something very big. This can be about relationship, or about your career path, or about your spirituality. Okay, whatever this is, you are going to find something very big. You are going to realize or find it. Okay, about the mid of the month, what are you attracting? Okay, mid of the month, if you were thinking a lot, or usually you do lots of overthinking in your life, then mid of the month, finally you are going to see the peace in your mind. Not, you are not doing that overthinkings and that fear or regret or everything. You are going to find a peace in your mind around the mid of the month, and you are going to find the solution to make your relationship better, or your health better, or about your financial situation to make it better. Okay, you are going to find a solution around the mid of the month. Okay, and around the end of the month, what are you attracting? End of the month, okay, you were working hard on something and you have make it very big. Okay, about your career path, I think you have worked very hard, and finally around the end of the month, you are going to see very positive result. Wherever you have worked for, whatever you have wanted and worked so hard, you are going to see the positive result on that. Okay, and you are looking very energetic, positive, stable in your career path, and very positive. You might be gaining name, fame, success around the end of the month, or you're planning for the future, planning very big, and you're going to get promoted in your career path, or someone is very attracted to you around the end of the month. Okay, so that's it. I hope this reading resonated. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your friends or family members.